What if your IBAN and USD account worked like stablecoins? With this app, you get a native USD account from the USA and a Euro IBAN from Luxembourg. But here's the difference. When USD or Euro arrives, it can automatically come as USDC or EURC. So your money moves like crypto, but it's still a real bank account. You can receive USD from anywhere in the world, even from third-party senders. And withdrawals are limited to USA-based accounts. But yes, you can withdraw to your own account or a third-party account in the US. For Euro accounts, individual users deposit and withdraw to their own local bank accounts. But for business accounts, you can receive and send Euro to any account, including third-party accounts. And when it comes to USDC or EURC, you can send or receive to any wallet we support. Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Base, Optimism, Polygon, Stellar. And this is just the beginning. A crypto debit card is coming soon, and you'll also be able to buy Bitcoin directly in the app. If you want your USD account and IBAN to work like stablecoins, download the app now and try it yourself.